You're listening to AI Prism from Seoul Economic Daily.
Three numbers before the open: 7,291, 1.27 trillion, and 9.6%. The KOSPI closed at 7,291.91 today, up 0.62%, snapping a three-day slide that had pulled it down nearly 20% from its recent peak. Individual investors still net sold 1.2673 trillion won, even as the index bounced. Bank stocks were the story of the pullback. Shinhan Financial Group is up 9.60% this month alone, and regulators just shut down a viral rumor about a 20% cap on single-stock leverage ETFs. It's Friday, July 10th. Here's what today's story could mean for the Korean market. AI investment doubts and semiconductor volatility have driven the recent slide, as single-stock leverage ETFs amplify swings beyond the underlying shares. The KOSPI fell 13.97% this month before today's rebound, dragged down by Samsung Electronics and SK Hynix on peak memory cycle concerns. At the same time, the Bank of Korea is signaling a rate hike at its July 16th meeting, citing strong growth and persistent inflation. Here's what the numbers show. The KOSPI closed at 7,291.91, up 45.12 points, or 0.62%, after three straight losing sessions of minus 0.46%, minus 4.91%, and minus 5.35%. Individual investors net sold 1.2673 trillion won, even as the index rebounded. Shinhan Financial Group climbed 9.60% this month to 105,000 won, while KB Financial rose 7.80% and Hana Financial gained 6.98%. 5.6 trillion won. That's the expected combined second quarter net profit for 8 major banks, supporting the sector's defensive rally. The Financial Services Commission denied a viral rumor of a 20% cap on single-stock leverage ETFs, calling the claims baseless. Gold mining ETF GDMN dropped 28.46% over 3 months after JPMorgan cut its Q4 gold target from roughly $6,000 to $4,500. So what does this mean for traders positioning in this market? Earlier, we flagged the leverage ETF rumor. Regulators shut it down, but the underlying volatility concern behind it hasn't gone away. Bank stocks are absorbing the flows that semiconductor names are shedding, and dividend and buyback expectations are keeping that rotation intact into earnings season. The next real catalyst lands in late July. U.S. big tech CapEx guidance and SK Hynix's ADR listing will show whether AI investment demand still supports current valuations. That's today's AI Prism, Stock Investors. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI Prism is a Won IFRA award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.
You've been listening to AI Prism from Seoul Economic Daily.